If you are a homeowner struggling to sell your home, know that you are not alone. Fortunately, we have ways to combat this problem, and we are here today to talk about them. Here are the top 3 reasons why your home may not be selling. The first is a pricing problem. So often, homeowners want to price their home a little high to leave room for negotiations. However, then you're not getting buyers in the door because they're not interested in viewing a home that is overpriced. It is better to price it right when you first list the home, and it's important to listen to that feedback from showings and open houses. If you're hearing the common thread is a pricing issue, take that to heart and talk with your real estate agent about making that adjustment. The second could be a product problem. Those are difficult conversations to have, but sometimes it is more about the way that your home is presenting, meaning the curb appeal, the paint, the staging. So take that feedback to heart, talk with your agent about it, and see what changes can be made. The third is a marketing problem. If your real estate agent is not properly exposing your home to the masses in the marketplace, then your home is not being seen, therefore it can't be purchased. So it's important to maximize that exposure. Take a look at your listing online because that's where most buyers are looking first. See how your listing appears. If there's any changes that need to be made, talk with your realtor about that. And see if the home is presenting itself well. Put yourself in the buyer's position and see if it is a home that would appeal to you if you were searching for a home. I am Andrea Crouch with the Crouch Group of eXp Realty. Thanks for watching this video.